Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can change eBay personal account to business. Okay, before we start, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone, so yeah, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on my eBay in the top right and you want to click on summary. So after, guys, you click on summary, you will be able to see here account. You want to click on it here, as you can see. Now when you click on account, you want to click on personal information. You will have to log in, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to log in into my account. So after you log in, guys, you will be able to see here account type and you will see here individual. Okay, this is like an account I created a few months ago. I haven't listed any product in this account, that's why it says here zero feedback. So as you can see, the account type here is individual, as you can see. Now if you can see next to the individual, you can see here edit. Then you want to click on it and you want to edit and you want to change it to business. Now if you don't see it, that means you haven't got any sales in the last 90 days, like no sales history, and eBay will not let you do that. Okay, so make sure you get some sales in order for you to change the business. Or you can just remove this account, and when you creating the account, when you create, for example, when you search here for create eBay account, you want to create an eBay account as a business. Okay, so it says create eBay here, as you can see, register, create a business account. So you can just directly create business account here. That's if your account is new and it doesn't have any feedback or anything. It makes sense for you to create business account directly, as you can see, and you will be able to like get all the benefits of business accounts. By the way, if you are not getting a lot of sales, you don't really need a business account, because at the end of the day you will charge your taxes if you are doing like $20,000 a year or a month, depends on your country. Okay, each country has different rules for this. So I would say if you are just starting dropshipping or selling like products in your house, you don't really need a business account, in my experience. I have a lot of eBay accounts right now doing over $10,000, and they are not business, even though most of them are business, but some are not business, because I don't really need to do that. Okay, especially if in my country I don't really need to upgrade that. So just make sure that you really want to upgrade, and it makes sense for you to upgrade to business. By the way, guys, if you want me, guys, to take care of your dropshipping business, you can just contact me on Instagram. I do coaching. Okay, so you can just contact me. Here is my Instagram account. You can just contact me and I will be able, guys, to coach you to start your dropshipping business on eBay, okay, from AliExpress. Okay, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.